Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a shop in Roblox Studio. Now it's pretty easy, and I'm going to show how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to go onto the tool shop, and now if you don't see the tool shop, you go onto view and you make sure the Explorer, toolbox, properties, and the view selector, all of these are open. And then once you've got your toolbox open over here, you're going to search for tool shop. Okay. Now once you search for tool shop, you're going to click on the first one and drag and put it here. Okay. And it's going to tell you tool shop includes 3 scripts. Just click on don't show again and click on OK. Now those three files are going to show up. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to take the tools one, and we're going to go down all the way to replicated storage, sort it, and put it over here. Okay. And the leaderboard, we're going to take it down until something called server script service. Okay. Then the last stuff is the last one is the tool shop. We're going to take the tool shop and go down all the way until starter GUI. And as you can see, I've got the shop over here showing up. Now, we could add our tools, okay, which basically from the toolbox, we're just going to search for, let's say, a gun. And we're going to get this one, put it in the tools. First of all, we're going to put it, and then we're going to put it in the tools. And let's just keep the gun for now. Okay, and once you have the gun, now if we want to add a value for the gun, so what we're going to do is that we're going to click on plus, and then we're going to search for int value. Okay, we're going to click on it, and then we're going to go onto the value. We're going to rename it as price. Okay, and the value, we could have it as 1,000. Okay, and now as you can see, you've got your own shop set up. Okay. Now, to test this shop and make sure it's working, what we're going to do is that we're going to click on the play icon in the top left corner, and it's going to start up the game. Now, I don't have any type of scripts or way I can move my character, but if we can actually click on the shop, and once we click on shop, as you can see, I have a gun. And yeah, that was basically how to do a shop, guys, in Roblox Studio. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you later.